Ever gazed at a skyscraper, a magnificent work of art, and wondered, how did they build that? The answer, my friends, is simple. Brick by brick. The same principle applies to building wealth. It might seem like an insurmountable mountain, a privilege reserved for the chosen few, but I am here to tell you that's a fallacy. Wealth is not a birthright, it's a choice available to each and every one of you. The journey might seem daunting, the path ahead shrouded in mist. But remember, even the loftiest mountains are conquered one step at a time. You possess within you the strength, the resilience, the raw potential to achieve anything you set your mind to. The first step, acknowledge this power. Believe in your ability to achieve greatness. Before we continue, please don't forget me and subscribe, comment and like below. Thanks. The most successful people in the world, those who have scaled the highest peaks, all share a common trait, an unwavering belief in themselves. They understand that success begins in the mind, with a clear vision and an unshakable belief in their ability to manifest it. Cultivate this belief. Nurture it. Let it fuel your actions. This is not about arrogance, but about recognizing your potential. Everyone has something unique to offer, a talent, a skill, an idea that can be the seed of their financial empire. Identify your strengths, hone your skills, and never stop learning. The world is a constantly evolving landscape, and those who adapt and learn will thrive. Having a clear vision is like having a compass guiding you through the wilderness. It gives you direction, purpose, and the motivation to keep moving forward even when the path gets tough. Imagine yourself living your dream life. What does it look like? Feel it, taste it, breathe it. The more vivid and detailed your vision, the more real it becomes in your mind, and the more powerfully you attract it into your reality. This vision will become your North Star, guiding your decisions and actions. It will fuel your motivation when you face obstacles, reminding you why you started in the first place. Remember, the path to success is rarely linear. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. Section 4. Building your empire brick by brick. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, patience, and a commitment to consistent action. Just as a sculptor chisels away at a block of stone, you must be willing to put in the work day after day to shape your financial future. Start by establishing a solid foundation. Save diligently, manage your expenses wisely, and avoid unnecessary debt. See every dollar as a seed that can be planted to generate more wealth. Invest wisely, seeking guidance from those who have already achieved what you aspire to. Remember, knowledge is power. And the more you learn about finance and investing, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Section 5. Weathering the storm. The journey to wealth is not always smooth sailing. There will be storms, unforeseen challenges that test your resolve. Embrace these challenges. See them not as setbacks, but as opportunities for growth, for learning, for developing your resilience. The ability to bounce back from adversity, to learn from your mistakes and emerge stronger is what separates the successful from those who give up. Remember, every successful entrepreneur, every self-made millionaire has faced their share of obstacles. They didn't let these challenges break them. Instead, they used them as fuel, as stepping stones to greater heights. Section 6. Now go forth and conquer. The world is your oyster. The potential for wealth and abundance is limitless, but it's up to you to seize it. Take that first step. Believe in yourself, cultivate a clear vision, and take consistent action towards your goals. Don't be afraid to dream big, to set audacious goals. Remember, the only limits are the ones you set for yourself. Now go forth and conquer your financial destiny. The world is waiting to witness your greatness. For more information about how I make money while on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have an awesome day.